Express radio control. This is the Express train. This is the Express train. Stopping the Express train. Green light. Starting engine. Yeah, Express train. Starting all stations. Starting all stations. Express train does not stop at little stations. The speed is 250 kilometers an hour. Green light. Start up and Express train start up. Green light. Start up. Green light. Start the engine. Express train. This is the Express train, stopping all stations. The next station is Brisbane Rover speed. Express rail has a means of a safe and present journey. Express train. This Express train does not stop at little stations. If you're travelling on speed, this goes at speeds of 250 kilometers an hour. When it goes catch the slower train, you go on the Express trains. This is the trains only stop at major stations. The train goes at speeds of 250 kilometers an hour. The trains have luggage racks, toilets, bike racks, wheelchair spaces, and only stop at major stations. Express train. The cafe, Express cafe car is now available for food. The Express trains only stop at major stations. The speed here, the trains have technology in maps that only stop at stations where the train stops. This is Express green light start up. Express start up. Starting all engines. Express train. Starting all engines. Green light. The Express train. Express door closing. Please stand clear. Express door closing. Please stand clear. This is the Express train. Stopping all stations to the Express terminal only. The next station is Brisbane Rover Street Station. This train terminates at Brisbane Rover Street. These are light from the train. The trains only stop at major stations. The trains only have cabins, toiletries, bedrooms, and they only stop at major stations. Express train start up. Green light. Starting all engines. Starting all Express engines. Start up. Starting all Express engines. Starting all Express engines. Green light. Starting all Express engines. Green light. Red light. Express train. Express trains only stop at major stations. The cabins have beds, toiletries, bathrooms, cabins. The trains only stop at major stations on the line. The Express terminal station will be constructed by American companies. The tracks only stop at major stations. The trains will be made by Lionel in the United States of America. The trains already have technology maps. The trains already have cabins, toiletries, maps, and only stop at major stations. The next station. This is Express engineering. Express engineering is starting. All engines on the Express trains. Starting all engines. Green light. The Mike Express trains only stop this train terminate at the Mike Express terminal. Please alight for the Mike Express trains. Alight for more information. Please check the Mike Express model train website. Mike Express train starting on engines. Green light. Red light. Stopping the train. Engineering out. Stopping all of the train. Red light. Mike Express train. Stopping all the trains. Red light. Mike Express out.